Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on my phone N23. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and here click allow and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. And now you can close this ad again, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.